We are starting out with breaking news this midday as that fast-moving wildfire in the Texas Panhandle has now grown to nearly 800 square miles it's burning. It is the second largest in state history. This is video from overnight of firefighters driving through the flames. Governor Abbott declared a disaster area for the 60 counties involved in the Panhandle there. An evacuation order issued for the town of Canadian. That's about 100 miles northeast of Amarillo. And on the outskirts of Amarillo today, though, there's a nuclear facility called the Pantex plant. It reopened this morning after a brief shutdown overnight when flames just got too close. Thanks for joining us this midday. I'm Jason Whiteley, and we are starting with meteorologist Mariel Ruiz. And there is a lot of smoke being churned up from all this, as we can tell from here. Are we going to see that here in North Texas?
You know, there is a little bit of a haze on the horizon, and it actually has to do with dust being blown in. There may be a little bit of that smoke plume making it into North Texas, but our winds just aren't quite right for that. So that's kind of helping us out.
It is good.
Yeah, but I do want to show you what areas are being impacted. And this is a lot of information on this map, but this is really where that smoke plume is headed. You can see the really bright colors, and it's headed into the Permian Basin, areas of the Guadalupe Mountains, and towards Big Bend. That's where we're going to see some of the smoke, and it's because of that front that did move in. Now, again, that Smokehouse Creek fire still not contained, 500,000 acres, the second largest in Texas history. We are expecting to see the smoke plume to continue to impact areas along I-40 there. We will see this continue to push towards the south, even areas as far south as Abilene seeing some of those impacts, even areas closer to San Angelo seeing some of that smoke plume. And we're going to see it shift. We currently have north winds because of that strong front that came through last night, but we will see this wind shift, and that'll push the smoke plume into areas of Oklahoma. But as of now, we are looking at our air quality. In Amarillo, it's at an orange or unhealthy air quality. That is 2 steps down from good air quality. Areas in Lubbock, Midland, even DFW dealing with moderate air quality, 1 step below good air quality. This likely has to do with a little bit of that smoke already making it into areas of Lubbock and in Midland. But for here, for DFW, it's likely just dust that got brought in by that strong front. You can see that front getting pushed into Texas there. It's really where you see that cloud cover, and it's helping shift the direction of that fire. I do want to talk about that other quick one, though. The other big story, the big temperature drop. We'll touch base on how long this is going to stick around in just a few moments, Jason.